Fish 6 Health Benefits of Eating Fish. 1. Biceps excellent source of high-quality protein. Fish provides lean protein that helps build and repair body tissues, including muscles and skin. 2. Brain boosts brain function. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, fish supports memory, focus, and may reduce age-related cognitive decline. 3. Red heart reduces risk of heart disease. Omega-3s in fish help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 4. Sun-face natural source of vitamin D. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with vitamin D, essential for bone health and immune support. 5. Smile supports mental well-being. Regular fish consumption is linked to lower rates of depression and anxiety, promoting emotional balance and resilience. 6. Eye protects eye health. Omega-3s and other nutrients in fish help maintain good vision and may prevent age-related macular degeneration. Subscribe my channel for more health tips and delicious recipes.